Well, hello. I guess I'm a few minutes late. I'm so sorry. Late to my own Facebook Live. Happy Friday. And this will be short. I just wanted to help those of you who are now teaching online and thinking, I have all these wonderful resources, but I can't use them now because I have to teach online. But you can use them, and you can very quickly make them Google compatible, so you can use them on Google Classroom or Flipgrid, and I'll show you quickly how to do that. If you want to make comments while I'm talking, you can type in, can you see it down here? ecam.live-223428. I'll say that in eCam, it's ECAMM.LIVE/223428. Okay, so I'm going to switch over. I keep losing my voice, I'm sorry. I'm going to switch over to my desktop, and we're going to start with, let's say, an activity you want your students to do. It's just, first we're going to start with regular Word or PDF document, and then I'll show you how to do a PowerPoint. Sorry, I think my inhaler makes me hoarse. Okay, so here we are. Yes, my desktop is always a mess. Let's see. So I'm going to go to Google. And my drive. And I'm going to click New and Google Slides. Okay, now most of my activities are 8.5 by 11, so you're going to want to make this 8.5 by whatever size your activity is. So I'm going to move this here a little bit. So go to Page Setup, and then go to Custom, and then I'm going to make it 8.5 by 11. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to go find the document that I want. Let's see, I'm going to give this a title. I can't remember what it was. So I'm going to insert my activity as a background. See up here? So change background, choose image. I'm going to go get my image. Right here. Done. And this actually has 4 pages, but I'm going to go slide and new slide and new slide. Okay, so I want page 2. So I'm going to do 2. This is my second one. Done. And then page 3, background. So those are my 3. Oh, I forgot to tell you that before I did that, I made a screenshot. That's how I got these images. So let me show you. So this was the assignment. So I just made a screenshot. 1, 2, 3. I didn't do the 4th one or the 5th one. So just do a screenshot. So on my Mac, it's Command-Shift-4. So I'm putting my screenshots in there. So I'm going to take those off. So that didn't take very long, right? The only problem that I have seen with documents is that you can't make very big spaces, but I don't think you want to go through all the trouble of making them bigger. So you're going to go insert text box. So I'm going to make this text box fit right here. And I'm going to make it, I like to make it dotted or hyphenated so that students know that's where they're supposed to put their answers. So then say, copy and paste. And then you just do that for all of it. I mean, it's not, it does take some time, but not very much really. It's pretty fast. So there you go. I mean, it's not beautiful, but so, and then you just do that for all of these, right? And so your student will just come in and they will type in here. So yes, eres contador y me gusta ayudar a la gente y trabajo en un hospital. Oh, usted es enfermero. And they just answer the questions. And then they can share them with you however you want them to share them with you. They can either, oh wait, oops, done. So now that I know this is Las Profesiones, I'll put that up there. Your students are you're gonna want them to put their name up there, I think. So anyway, just go to share. You can get the link, share that with them. If you're doing this the way I do it, and you're not on Google Classroom, this is what I would do. I take that link up there, copy it, and then, so it says edit right here. I'm going to make this really big so you can see it. And then I'm going to make that copy. Okay, so that what that does, let me show you what it does. If I'm a student and you gave me that link, this is going to force me to make a copy because otherwise your student is going to be typing on your original. Unless you're, like I said, unless you're in Google Classroom or, and if you want to share this with, in Flipgrid, I think you can just copy this link right here. Go to Flipgrid, click this pencil, and then go down here, see where it says add another attachment. Yeah, I think you might want to do the, have them, force them to make a copy. If anyone knows differently, let me know. Yeah, so, but this is where you just click right here. See, I have a Google Doc here I'm sharing with them. I have a video, and I'm going to write, well, I already did the tutorial video on Flipgrid, and I'm going to put it in my blog post. So that should be up on Monday, how to use Flipgrid. It's a really wonderful tool for online learning. It's just a wonderful tool anyway. So now you know how to make a regular document, PDF or a Word document into, so it's Google compatible, so you can use it either on your Google Classroom or anywhere. Well, not anywhere, Flipgrid, so online, basically, if you need to do distant learnings. Okay, let's look at, what about a PowerPoint? You have this wonderful PowerPoint. Now you have to distance learn right now. You have to teach your students without you being there. So what you could do is give them the PowerPoint. it will take the animation out. That kind of sucks, but okay. So you're going to go to New again, Google Slides. Oh, first of all, very important, you have to take the answers out. So this is just a very shortened version of a PowerPoint that I have. So I'm going to go here and see which ones have answers in them. So here's one that needs an answer. So I'm going to take the answer out. So Árbol de Navidad. See what else has an answer in it. Okay, this I'm going to take that answer out because they have to write the answers now. They're not going to be in class giving you oral answers. So they have to give you written answers. So I'm going to take all these out. And down here there's a competition. Dia de los Reyes Magos. Una estrella. So I'm taking these out. And then I'm not going to do all of them, just so you see. So now I'm going to, okay, I'll do all of them. Okay, save. Now I'm going to upload this. Let's go up here. So New, Google Slides. Hopefully they're about the same. Let's see. So, oh, no, my bad. Okay, so a new, okay, New, and we're going to do a file upload. What's that called? It's called La Navidad. Okay. So I made it short so it wouldn't take forever to upload. That's probably the most time-consuming part, is waiting for it to upload. Da, 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 da. How's your day going? Okay, it says it's complete. I'm going to go look for it under recent. There it is. And I'm going to open it with Google Slides. Okay. And there it is. Let's go to Es el Pesebre. Okay, so we're going to do it the same way. So insert text box right here. I'm going to make it hyphenated, and then they put their answer right here. Es un árbol de Navidad. So that's how you do it. And then down here, so here you're going to want to put in insert text box. And copy and paste them. And then students write their answers right in there. And then again, you can share it with them the same way. Either give them that link or give them this link and take the edit out and put copies, so they're forced to make a copy and they're not editing your original. So here, I just wanted to show you Google Classroom really quickly. I have not ever used Google Classroom, but if you're using it, you want to give your students this code right here so they can get into your Google Classroom. And it says share with your class. So how did I get there? Okay, so if you want to add, click on this add. You can either add the link right here. You can add a YouTube link. you can go to your Google Drive and then add the PowerPoint itself, or you can add a file. So you can drag the file right in here. So that's how you upload things. Someone asked me to show you that, so that's how you upload things in Google Classroom. If you have any questions that I haven't addressed, just put them in the comments. And again, let's see. I wanted to reiterate that I am going to be getting that blog post out on how to use Flipgrid. And there's a video tutorial and a post of why you'd want to use it and awesome things it does. It's so cool. I mean, when I was teaching, I used Google Voice for student production, but this is even better. I mean, so much better in so many ways. And also, I know a lot of people use it only for videos, but it does so much more than just have students talking, although that is a great feature. So, okay, well, have a wonderful Friday. I promised it would be short, so bye-bye. Oh, wait. Wait. Here we go. Wait. Okay. So I should see my face when I say goodbye. So bye-bye. And again, if you have any questions, I'll put them in the comments. Here is the blog post. It's not written yet. It's not posted yet, but it will be there hopefully by Monday. So here's the URL if you'd like to read it and see the tutorial. So have a wonderful Friday. Bye.